thickness of the coated metal. Suppose it is metal sheet. On this metal is coated. Dimensions of this metal sheet A into B, length A and width B. Let thickness of the metal coated, thickness that is C. Then volume of metal coated or metal deposited. Volume of deposited metal, that is equal to A into B into C, length into width into thickness. Density, that is equal to mass by volume. Then mass of the metal deposited, that is equal to density into volume of the metal deposited, that is A into B into C. Density into volume, that is the mass of the metal deposited. From Faraday first law, mass of the metal deposited, that is equal to ECT by 96,500. So here we can write from these two, density into A into B into C, that is equal to ECT by 96,500. When density of metal, length, width and thickness and current in ampere, time in second, these are given, then this relation is used. If current given in coulombs, in place of CT we can write Q. Q means current in coulombs. Suppose in some problems density is not given, radius of metal is given. For example, silver radius, that is equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeters. Volume of silver atom, volume of Ag atom, that is equal to, because atom is spherical in shape, 4/3 pi r cube. R is 10 power minus 8 centimeter cube. We get the volume of one silver atom. Similarly, 1 mole silver weight is 108 grams. One silver atom weight, that is equal to 108 by 6.023 into 10 power 23. This one is the one silver atom weight. Again, density, that is equal to mass by volume. Mass of single silver atom by volume of single silver atom. So density of silver, that is equal to mass 108 by 6.023 into 10 power 23. Mass by volume 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 10 power minus 20, 24. Gram per centimeter cube, these are the units of the density. So by finding density, we can substitute in this relation. In some cases density is not given, radius is given. From the radius we can find the density.